Hey folks, all right, what we got here is a 2017 Ford Fusion 1.5 liter, and we got the money light on. So let's scan the code and see what we got. The code we have is 0456, which is a small evap leak. And then we got this one, which is a P1450, unable to bleed up fuel tank vacuum. The rest of it is the same repeat. All right, those are permanents. They will come off once you fix the code. All right, let's go into the engine compartment and I'll show you what's causing that 456 number. All right, called a purge valve evap solenoid. It's connected with all these hoses over here. It is found right there. It's that one right there. Got a hose on that side. Got a plug on that side. Comes around. Goes to this 3-piece valve. One goes down there. T's off. One goes, one goes down there. One goes to the valve that I just showed you. One goes up onto the top, which is probably going towards the throttle body. Let's see. Let's take this off. All right. So this one goes here, under here. Another clip here, another clip here, and goes over there. Goes into the intake. All right. So that's one big piece there. I don't know how much Ford gets for it, but we could buy an AutoZone Duralast one, about $245, and Dorman makes one for about $215. Right? They both are lifetime warranties. I don't think Ford has a lifetime warranty. So that will fix your code for that. The symptom of this is a long crank after you get gas. After you fill up with gas, the gasoline goes into the tank, the vapors come out, the vapors get forced over here into this line. Okay, and then when you go start the car, it's almost like it's flooded. It's just going to keep spinning and spinning, spinning. Take about 5 to 6 cranks by the time it starts. You can help a little bit by just stepping on the gas pedal and opening up the throttle plate. That'll help it start a little faster. Other than that, that is one of the symptoms of a long crank after you fill up with gas, especially on the Ford. Okay? Thanks for watching.